Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a cat card. The materials are a sheet of cartolina paper or band paper, some markers, a glue stick, scissors, and some colored papers. Now let's start. So you cut the cartolina paper in this size and then fold it in half. Make sure it's equal with the other side. Next, we'll make 5 triangles, a pair of ears, a pair of eyes, and a nose. First, you fold the colored paper into a reasonable size, like this. Then, you cut right at the edge. Since we're making 2 of this, it would be advisable to fold it like this so we can make 2 pieces in equal sizes. When you cut the triangle, make sure you cut it away from this side. Here. Now let's make another pair. Again, let's fold it. Now let's make another one using green. Now let's cut it. Since I'm only using one, we don't have to fold it. The card should open on the right side. Now let's glue it. Make sure that the ears are far apart. Now let's glue the rest. The eyes should be a little bit nearer to each other. Now we will put the nose. Make sure it is inverted and at the center. Now let's put 3 dots on both sides. Now let's draw whiskers. Now let's make the mouth. Let's make it red. Now let's draw a line in the eyes. Here it is. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked it. Please feel free to subscribe. Bye.